You've changed your hair products and your routine, but you're still thinking, why is my hair still dry? Well, maybe it isn't actually the routine or the products, and maybe it's actually the water that you're using to wash your hair. So let's talk about this more in today's video. So stay tuned. So, as always, I've got my trusty notepad to hand with my notes. So, let's get started. So, what is actually hard water, you might be asking? So, it's a mixture of calcium and magnesium, and it is very common in the UK. So, yeah, we get hard water a lot in the UK. I'm not sure about other countries, but I know that with hard water comes dry hair at times, and then also you notice it in terms of lime scale in your kettle, for example, or maybe on your appliances. So definitely very common here in the UK. So what does it actually do to your hair, you might be wondering? So it can actually build up on your hair. So over time it can build up, and really leading to your hair feeling very dry and brittle. It stops moisture entering your hair. So moisture can't enter hair as easily as it may have before. It can cause dull, dry, brittle hair as well. So you might be finding, actually, why does my hair feel more dull and dry? And it might actually be the hard water in your area. Um, and products don't absorb as well into your hair as well. So maybe before, depending in the area you was in, maybe you had a bit softer water, then maybe your hair was absorbing the products a little bit better. But now it's like, hold on a second, it just seems to be sitting on top of my hair, or it just doesn't feel the same as it usually does. So it could be again the hard water. So when we talk about solutions now, and let's get to the juicy part now. So what are the types of things that you could be doing to help minimize the negative impact that hard water can have on your hair? So I say this a lot of times, and I know I'm sounding like a broken record here, but clarifying your hair, using a good quality clarifying shampoo is definitely a first step that you can be doing. You might want to do this once every 3 weeks, once a month. Definitely that will reset your hair and really get rid of the hard water buildup in your hair. So that's definitely a first step you could be using. Using a chelating shampoo as well. Hopefully, I've pronounced that okay, as that can really remove the minerals from your hair as a result of the buildup from the hard water. So definitely looking out for a chelating shampoo would be good. Deep conditioning your hair after each wash as well would be really beneficial, because, as I said before, hard water can really lead your hair to becoming dry and brittle and dull. So actually using a good quality deep conditioner can really minimize this. So really, adding the moisture back into your hair, especially after actually you've clarified your hair, because remember, it's like a reset, isn't it? Or after a chelating shampoo, and that will really allow your deep conditioner to really penetrate your hair better. Maybe an in-shower filter as well, so something that can really filter out the hard water is something maybe you can consider as well. I know that there are actually machines that can be installed into your house as well to soften the hard water that you might be experiencing now. Obviously, I don't know how much this is. I haven't got one in my house, but it might be something that you might want to consider as well if you're finding that hard water is a problem in your area, and obviously resulting in the impact that it's having on your hair, which is dry and dull, brittle hair. So yeah, so that's it from me really. So obviously we've talked about what hard water is and how it can impact your hair, and then obviously some of the solutions that are takeaways from today's video. But a question that I have for you today is, do you think your hard water is the reason why your hair is still dry? So let me know in the comments below, and like and subscribe, as I always say. Let me know if there's any particular content that you'd like to see from me going forwards. As I said, I will be mixing it up, but for now, I really want to just get some quick, sharp videos out as a starter. So yeah. But anyways, take care. Signing out, love for my curls, and have a very blessed week ahead. Bye bye.